Alright, Hard Rock Tampa, I'm on 37.50.
Come on. By the way, you're watching YouTube channel My Slotty Obsession. Thank you guys for. Oh,
A little
that's
better.
a nice one. Thank you guys for tuning in and supporting us. Come on.
Anything. One. Alright.
One big bowl for you tonight, babe.
One big ball. That's what I have. One big ball. I'll take it.